All right, quick review before we start the notes, okay? Last semester we learned about names of polygons all the way up to how many sides? Remember? What'd you say? It is 12, yep. Where do we start? Is there such shape that has one side?
Yeah. It's called a line.
That's not a shape, but yes. So no, not 1. What about 2? No, what about 3? 3 is where we start. So write these down somewhere on your paper. 3, what do we name that? Triangle. What's next? 4, which is? What else can 4 be? Right. There's a bunch of different options for 4, so we want to call it a quadrilateral. What's next? 5, which is?
I have no idea.
It is a pentagon.
Oh, nice.
Next. 6, right? You're a hexagon. What's next? 7. What's 7? Huh? Starts with a H. It's really close to hexagon, just one letter difference. Heptagon. What's next? 8 is octagon. 9. Anyone remember?
Hexagon?
No, wait.
Starts with an N.
Nectagon.
Nonagon. What's next? 10. What was 10? What'd you say? Yep, decagon. 11. We looked it up one time. Remember? Starts with the H. Hen. Decagon. You won't see that one that often. And then last one, 12, you remember? Close. Dodecagon.
Dodecahedron.
Hey, those are the 10 that I want you to start familiarizing yourself with. Okay? So make sure you have those written down somewhere. Get to knowing those. Okay? All right, moving on to the actual lesson. We're going to decide whether polygons are convex or concave and whether they're regular or not regular. Okay? So to decide between which, you're going to extend the sides of your shape that you're looking at. So extend all of your sides. What do you notice when I extend this line right here? It goes through the shape. Now, when it goes through the shape, that is concave. Going through the shape, I think going through a cave. You're cutting through a cave, so it goes through the shape. Okay? On B, if we extend the sides, do any of them go through the center? No, so that one is convex. Okay? Don't get those two confused. Concave goes through the shape. Convex is solid on the outside. Okay, so those are the differences between concave and convex. Okay, are there any questions on those? Biggest thing is just don't flip them around. Okay? With regular and non-regular polygons, we talked about this very briefly last semester. Okay? There are 3 things that you need. 3 things that you need in order for it to be regular. What do you think they are?
The sides and angles.
What about the sides?
They have to be the same.
All sides the same.
All angles.
Write this down somewhere. All sides the same. What else? That's 1.
Angles.
What about the angles?
They're the same.
All angles the same. There's one more thing. Think about what we just talked about.
They're
Concave and convex.
convex.
They need to be convex. Why convex and not concave?
Because I assume if it's convex, the angles and sides won't be the same.
Because concave, what happens when it's concave?
It goes in.
It goes through the shape. We don't want that. Okay, we want it to go all the way around as a solid. Okay? So those are the three things that you want to look for. So on A, check, are all sides the same?
Yes.
Yeah.
Careful. Look
No,
really close.
No, it's not. Only B is.
Right, we have these tick marks, but what do you notice about these right here?
There's two.
They're not the same, right? So this would be an automatic no because not all sides were the same. Okay, what about B?
Yes.
Do we have all sides the same?
All angles are the same as well.
Yep, we have all angles the same.
And it's
And is it convex?
Yeah.
Yep, because all sides are solid. So this one would be yes. Okay, C, check all three. Are all sides the same?
Yes.
Are all angles the same?
Yeah. No.
It doesn't tell us. Is it convex?
Yeah. No. Well, yeah.
Is it convex?
Yes.
It is not convex. Why is it not convex? One side goes through the shape, right? It goes inside. So this one would be no because it is not convex. Okay, are there any questions on regular and non-regular? Okay, go ahead. Those are the only two things we're going over today. Go ahead and try those three examples. You're going to say convex, concave, and then regular, non-regular. You can just put yes or no for regular, non-regular. Okay, go ahead and try those three. Okay, first we want to tell whether it's convex or concave. What do we think on number one?
Convex.
Why is it convex?
Because it's not going.
It does not go into the shape, so you're correct. It is convex.
Regular.
But it's not.
Why is it not regular?
2 different angles.
Right, there's two different angle measures. This one has 2 lines, these have 1, so this would be no. So just because it's convex does not mean it is regular. Okay? What about number 2, convex or concave?
Concave.
Concave, why?
Because it goes in.
One of them goes in. Concave. So since it's concave, can it be regular?
No.
No.
Also, it has no angle.
Right. And number 3, convex, concave.
Convex, regular.
Convex. And then check all 3. Does it have the same sides?
Yes.
Same angles?
Yes.
And it's convex, so this one is regular. So we put yes. Okay. Any questions on those 2 concepts? All right.